edwonti barakuku mipele edwonti yankuri oje jina gari yen chaw oje jina gari yen chaw twala wa ma wa pa ne pe wa papa
Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Footwork, where footwork? How many times have I not told you not to creep on me like that?
I'm sorry, boss.
Why lucky say my more uppercut? Come on!
Sorry, boss.
What is the problem?
The boys wanted permission to move to the next level.
Tell them to go ahead, but they should strike hard! Okay? Strike hard! Flow like a butterfly now, Mr. Me like a beer. That be this time.
Boss.
Don't boss me, okay? This little task, what is it again?
Boss, the guy doesn't want to play ball. I hear he's a Boy Scout.
Boy Scout? Where on earth do we have Boy Scouts these days? Boy Scout, they say brigade to travel and Boy Scouts to travel. They've gone extinct.
So, boss, what do we do? He won't collect. He left everything intact. Boss, I think...
Don't venture doing that. Think in my presence? Come on. We do the thinking and you do the execution. Okay?
Yes, boss.
Thinking is above your pay grade. Do you understand?
Yes, boss.
So don't be thinking when I'm here.
Yes, boss.
You have to keep monitoring. Everyone has a weakness.
Yes, boss. Boss, the go-between is freaking out. He wants something done quickly.
That's the yellow liver chicken. Keep him quiet. Make sure he doesn't panic. Okay?
Yes, boss.
Why? Do you want me to do your work for you?
No, boss.
Then let's get it on.
Yes, boss.
Do you understand?
Yes, boss. Thank you, boss.
Hello? Hello? Yes. I hear your guy is very tough. He doesn't want to budge. Yes. So we have to find another way of softening him up. Because if this one doesn't work, you know what's going to happen. Okay, I leave everything in your hands then. I leave everything with you.
Omambapa.
What are you looking at? Why am I also advice no? To look at things that I look at. Eh? Illegitimate look now, you know. What do you mean? Huh?
Sorry, boss.
Why lock up? Any more bad news?
The police picked him up.
I know.
Boss, these are straight arrows. They will not serve our purposes.
I know. And that is why I am the Don. That is why I am the Don. I can foresee what you can't imagine. Yes. In fact, I'm 3 steps ahead of you all the time. Now prepare to cut that government lucky out if things go south.
No problem, boss.
I hope so, for your sake.
So what's our next move, boss?
Keep digging into that guy. Like I said, everyone has a price.
Yes, boss.
Next time, don't look by heart.
Sorry, boss.
I'll have you blindfolded.
The man who must champion Bakope. The good don't slow. The great tighter. Military tight Bakope. Bossu Bakope. Your giddy champion Tabakope. Nana Prepre. No more fear. Good don't slow. The man who must be obeyed. Oluma Sakura. The great tighter.
Yo, Charlie, who that? You don't know Cassius? Cassius Mark Tyson.
He be minister or something.
He passed himself.
Hello. Hello. My friend. Danny, how are you doing? Okay. No. My credibility is the most important, Danny. Me, Galamsey, I own 12 mines. 12 mines in the 15 regions of the country. Okay. Oh, that was not a gunshot. It was champagne. I'll speak to you later, okay? Tell them I own 15 mines.
Like the Don Dada himself. Everything they pass through him.
So like a connection, man.
He passed. He's like a fixer. No, the Godfather himself.
So they can come. What?
Okay, we'll talk later. You tell them that my credibility, okay? Thank you. Yes. Okay. To loyalty, power, and prosperity. See, in this political arena, loyalty is key. Loyalty is key. Because most people will stab you in the back. So those who stay with you through thick and thin should be treasured. Yeah. They should be treasured, people. Right. Yes. Until they also stab you in the back. Yes. So, which of you wants to be the politician?
Well, I do.
Well, then we've got some work to do. Yeah, we have got some work to do. Now tell me about yourself.
Well, I was a midwife at the government hospital for 20 good years. Now I run an NGO that educates single mothers about parenting.
Oh, very good. That's a good template to work on.
Sorry?
It means your CV is very good.
Oh.
Yeah. Now, why do you want to be a politician?
I want to serve. Look, I want to serve my people. Simple.
That is good. Good answer. But all politicians say the same thing. Governor, sir.
I'm different anyway.
Very, very impressive.
Charlie, what's he up to with those women?
Need to know basis only. You've been hard to sing. Stay in your lane.
Oh, Charlie, why? I'm a praise singer, so I cannot think. Hey.
Think all you like, but keep it in your head. And if you want to keep this job, which you seem to enjoy so much, you learn to keep your mouth shut.
Oh, you sometimes...
Shh. Guys.
I can see you've built for yourself a very solid profile. Then what do you need me for? Why do you need me?
We are here because your reputation precedes you.
No.
Everybody says you're the godfather. Obiaji Woody.
Yes, yeah.
What do we call? What do we call? Did he tell you about Ogidi? Kokudu Usru, Oluman Sakura, Ehunabubli, Otekokoswanana.
Well, we need a protector, a financial connector, and a chief advisor, all in one, before we enter this murky world of politics.
And you believe I fit the bill, eh? I fit the bill. Let me drink to that. Let me drink to that.
Omambapa.
Good to you. I don't know. Maybe I'm to me. You see, the problem is we seek the glory but not the pain. But no pain, no gain. Nowhere in the world, no pain, no gain. You are
right.
Yeah. I'm ready to put all my vast resources at your disposal. But the question is, what is in it for me? Yeah? What is in it for me? Me a businessman, pal. Me a businessman. So, my ultimate motive is profit. Me dream for so. So what is in it for me? Okay. Hello. Yes.
Excuse me. Just a minute.
We are ready to play ball. To make an omelette. You have to break in some eggs, right?
Well, you seem ready. But the question is she ready? She needs some management. You know what I mean, right?
Yeah. Leave that for me to handle. We have to break her in. Gradually, though. We need her integrity to counter our opponent. Her record matches him boot for boot.
Agreed. But it's very important because people don't win elections by chance. It takes work. You know, every little detail about her, the way she looks, the way she talks, everything has to be on point.
Don't worry. Just leave that to me.
Active measures. That's to disrupt and neutralize the enemy by disinformation, conflict harvesting, and espionage.
Conflict harvesting?
Yes, that's right. To rig things such that you create internal conflict without showing your hand, or make your adversary's strength their weakness. Yes,
it's on. She has cashed the check.
I told you. Everyone has a price. Yes, or a weakness. That's right. That's right. That's, I like that. I like that. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, that's interesting. That's interesting for me. Yes, it's international sparkles, you know that. Yeah, it's my nigga. Yeah, man. Come on, baby. There you go.
The CV is in the folder.
Don't worry about his CV.
Look, I think you'd love this guy if you just took a look at it. I mean, this guy is an Ivy League educated gentleman. It's right here. He's far more educated, far more polished than Kwame.
Listen, my friend. There's something that is stronger than all the armies in the world. And that's the idea whose time has come. Victor Hugo.
What are you driving at?
Yes. What I am driving at is, it doesn't take how handsome or educated a political actor is to become a star. Yes. It is when all the forces and powers connive together in favor of that person whose time has come. What didn't we do to get Oscar elected? But he failed. He failed miserably. This is Kwame's time. And my main objective now is to get him on our side. Because that guy is immovable.
Look, we don't have time on our side. Look, we need to put the second game plan, Plan B, in motion. We have barely 24 months before the elections. And we seriously have to groom this guy.
Relax, my friend.
You want me to relax? When I know that every move that he makes in the assembly is a campaign for him? Relax.
Listen, everybody, everyone has a price. Is he the only one who's played difficult to get? Or hard to get? Is he the only one? Listen, we've put in motion over 3 plots to get him. And Narisindala, I know, one, he will surely fall for one at all costs.
And what are those plots?
We're coming home now. we are going to apply force, coercion, and blackmail.
Force, yes. Coercion, great. And blackmail.
Wonderful.
Mark, these are too vague.
But that's not your place to know. You have your own specialty. Focus on that. And leave others to work on their task.
I just don't want to be the one. I told you so. We've lost too many contracts, and we cannot keep on losing contracts time and time again.
Are you more worried than myself? You worry more than myself? Do you know Emeta? Need to know basis only. Oh, Ivy is someone who
Barakuku, Mikwele Edwamti, Yankuri, Muteye Gina Gari, Yen Chow, Muteye Gina Gari, Yen Chow.
On the dot.
We didn't need good leadership. We didn't need good citizenship and good relationship as well.
So how are the guys at the assembly taking it?
Oh, they're so excited. You know, we're all looking forward to this because it's been long overdue. You know, and as I mentioned earlier, it's a timely intervention. So yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.
Sparkles, you be the man you kwase abi. You are really not born, you must see. Oh, come on. Papa, sorry about vegetarian. Yeah. I'm buried. Oh! All right.
Barakuku, Mikwele Edwamti, Yankuri, Muteye Gina Gari, Yen Chow, Muteye Gina Gari, Yen Chow. We didn't need good leadership. We didn't need good citizenship and good relationship as well, so that we citizens can benefit from our own natural resources. God One of you, my friend, one of you will make this nation great and strong. Yaziba, ya papa, ya papa, yaziba, ya papa.